Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Oreo truffles. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 package of 36 Oreo cookies, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, and about 12 ounces of your favorite melting chocolate. Having your cream cheese at room temperature is key for a smooth mixture. This recipe is incredibly easy and yields a delightful treat perfect for any occasion. Now let's get to the fun part. Take your 36 Oreo cookies and crush them into fine crumbs. A food processor works best, but a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin will do the trick. Once crushed, combine these crumbs with your 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Mix thoroughly until you have a uniform, dough-like consistency. This forms the delicious base of our truffles. Next, it's time to shape our truffles. Take small portions of the Oreo and cream cheese mixture and roll them into approximately 1-inch balls. Aim for consistent sizes for even dipping later. Place these perfectly rolled balls onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Once all your truffles are formed, pop them into the refrigerator to chill for at least 30 minutes. This helps them firm up for dipping. Finally, let's finish our truffles with a beautiful coating. Melt your 12 ounces of chocolate according to package directions. A microwave or double boiler works well. Dip each chilled truffle into the melted chocolate, ensuring it's fully coated. Gently tap off any excess. Before the chocolate sets, you can add sprinkles or a sprinkle of extra Oreo crumbs for decoration. Let them set completely and enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.